Hi, today I am going to share with you how to do a face lifting massage. I'm a skincare expert, and face massage is something that I've personally done on myself for years, and I do it practically daily for my clients in treatment as well. And it's one of the things I'm always asked is, how do I massage my face at home? So I'm going to share with you now some tips of to do a face lifting massage. There are so many different methods of how to massage your face, and it's not about following a prescription. It's about kind of working with your hands and your face to get the best for you. So there are so many benefits to massage. Firstly, it's free, totally free, it doesn't cost anything. It stimulates the blood circulation, the lymph flow. The idea is that you're firming and lifting muscles on your face to keep everything fighting against gravity, but keeping everything vibrant and giving you your glow. So firstly, what do you massage with? Any plant-based oil. I'd avoid anything mineral oil based. We don't want those kind of synthetics on the skin. They're only just going to block the pores. So anything plant-based. It might be from your kitchen cupboard, or it might be from your favorite brand. How much to use? I'm going to start with maybe a teaspoon amount. The idea is that you're going to put it all over face, neck and décolleté. So I've just rubbed that in the palms of my hands, and I'm going to start by applying all over my face, down my neck, and just to the top of my décolleté. It's quite nice to do this in the morning. Maybe you could do it with your cleanser, or actually even in the evening. So, you know, you could take 3 minutes, you could take a good 15-20 minutes. So there's loads of different ways that you can incorporate face massage into your regular routine. I'm going to start firstly by stimulating the lymphatic areas. So we've got loads of lymph nodes down here, and we all kind of drain downwards. I know we're going to be lifting, but to start with we want to do some draining. Start on the neck, draining downwards. You probably will come up a little bit pink. You know, that's the blood flow that we're stimulating, and actually that's a good thing. So big downward circles either side of the neck. It's nice to give those muscles a stretch as well. And then just a little bit of pumping just above our collarbone to encourage that lymph drainage. Thumbs underneath my chin, and I'm pushing outwards. From the chin all the way to the ears, and then I'm going to change that to a pinching movement, draining outwards. Kind of got some knuckles involved here as well. So my thumbs, I don't know whether you can see, I've still got my thumbs underneath my jaw there as I'm pushing outwards. Big circles into the cheeks to lift, get the circulation going. Small circles all around my mouth. These kind of moves are really going to stimulate and help with those preventing those fine lines that appear, but also kind of making the lips nice and plump as well. So I'm pushing upwards. This is a common area that we get issues with, they're called nasolabial lines. Bit of an odd name. And then get some knuckles involved. If you push up with your knuckles, hold it for a few seconds, and then drain out to your ears. So you're almost making yourself scowl. No one is going to see you doing this at home, so you know, maybe in your bathroom mirror, or while you're watching your favourite Netflix series or something at home. And like I said, actually working quite intuitively with what your hands want to do as well. So lifting sides of cheeks, one hand up across the other, covering all, I'm kind of coming almost from the neck upwards, and then the other side. Pushing up all the way up the midline, so up to brows, round forehead. And the idea when you're doing a lifting face massage that you can be really firm with that. Some drainage moves under the eyes. And then lifting the brow. You can hold it and then circle round. It's quite nice to lift and then drain under. So lift and push and then drain under. Work those crow's feet. Almost like a crisscross movement here. On one side and the other. And you can take that kind of movement across the forehead, almost like a zigzag move. It raising out those frown lines that we get, getting rid of all that tension from the day. Take that into a sidewards. I think we also forget that the muscles on the face don't actually stop on the face. They run into our hairline and back, so some pressure points into our hairline to release all those off. That's part of the reason why as well, you know, we're working on the neck. It's not just for the drainage, but all these muscles, it's all connected as well. And then pushing up, big active push-ups. And then just calm it all back down again and work with that drainage back down the sides of the neck, finishing back down on our clavicle with a few pumps. So those moves are just examples of what you can do to lift and firm. I hope you found that interesting. Please like and subscribe and ask any questions. If there's any other things you want me to include, please ask, and I will see you soon.